The form of the past continuous. We form the past continuous by putting the verb to be in the past simple form plus verb with ing. So we use were or was depending on the subject plus verb with ing. I, he, she or it was having a shower. So with I, he, she or it we use was plus verb with ing. They, we or you were reading a book. With they, we and you we use were plus verb with ing. The use of the past continuous. We use it to talk about action and progress in the past at a certain time. For example, my father was playing with us from 8 to 10 in the morning. So at a certain time, at a specific time, from 8 to 10 in the morning, my father was in the middle of the action. The action of playing was in progress. So at a certain time, an action was in progress at the past. Ali was practicing from Sunday to Wednesday. So at a certain time, from Sunday to Wednesday, Ali was in an action. That action was in progress. Ali was practicing for a specific time from Sunday to Wednesday. We also use it to talk about action in the past that is interrupted by another action. So two actions, one of them interrupted the other one. So you were in the middle of an action before another action interrupted it. Like I was watching TV when my brothers started fighting. So I was in the middle of the action of watching TV before my brothers started fighting. While the cat was eating, the mouse appeared. So the cat was in the middle of eating, then the mouse interrupted by appearing. Actions taking place at the same time. My friends were playing while I was working. So at the same time that my friends were playing, I was working. Adam was coming while they were leaving. So Adam was coming at the same time that they were leaving. Past continuous in the negative form. We use not. She was studying for the exam. Since in the past continuous we will always have a verb to be in the past form, we will simply put not after the verb to be. So she was studying for the exam becomes she was not studying for the exam. Past continuous in the question form. He was studying for the exam. Since we have a verb to be here, we switch the places between the verb to be and the subject. So he was studying for the exam becomes was he studying for the exam. We change the capitalization, we add a question mark. He was studying for the exam. Was he studying for the exam? If we need to add a question word, we simply add it at the beginning of the sentence. Where was he studying for the exam? We change the W into a small letter and your question is ready. Past continuous in the timeline. From the past, present to the future, where is the past continuous? It's simply and the past in the progress form. So the action will not continue until the present. The action is not a constant action that just finished at a certain time, but it's a continuous action that took place in a specific time from this point to that point. So the action kept on happening from that point to this point continuously. Signal words in past continuous. My father was playing football while I was coming. When my mother was cooking, my sister was eating.